Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
This one will be exploring Recoil Atoms. Recoil Atom represents a piece of a state in your application. Atoms are readable and writable from any component in the app, and changes to an atom automatically re-render all components that subscribe to it. In order to create the atom, the first thing that we need to do is create a folder or directory called state in our src directory. So here I'll be creating a folder. Let's call it as a state. And within this particular folder, I'll be creating a cart atom. So here I'll be going ahead and I'll be creating a file named cartatom.js. Now within this particular file, I'll be defining items in cart. So to do that, I'll be first of all importing atom from Recoil, and then I'll have my items in cart, which I've defined as atom, and it has got key as items in cart, and then it has a default value, that's the initial state, and that's pretty much it. So I have created an atom now in my state directory, and the next step is to use this atom in a component. So let's go ahead and create a component as well. So within the src directory that we have over here, I'll be creating a file called cart.js. So let's do that. We'll have cart.js here, and in this file, I'll be making use of the items in cart atom. So first thing, I'll be importing React from React, and I'll be importing useRecoilValue from Recoil, and then I have items in cart which we just created from state cart atoms. Then I'll have my cart function created, which will make use of useRecoilValue, and it will assign the items in cart to the constant cart items, and the same will then be displayed to the user. So whatever items I'll have in my cart, it will be iterated and shown over here. If there's nothing in the cart, then obviously our message will show as your cart is empty. So here we have our cart.js created. Now what we need to do is we need to add this cart component to our app.js file. So here we'll be opening up our app.js file, and in this I'll be getting rid of the default method that we have over here, and instead we'll be importing cart from cart. So on top we'll have import cart from cart, and then we'll have our return method updated over here. We'll get rid of the logo as well, and that's pretty much it. Let's save this, and now let's go ahead and ensure that we are within the project directory. So we have shopping cart with Recoil. Let's go inside that directory first, and over here let's do npm start. We can see the result is coming up. Your cart is empty. Couple of things that I would like to highlight over here. First being that you need to ensure that you have React version 18.2 and React DOM version 18.2. That's the latest that it supports. So if you're working with React 19 release candidate, then this is not going to work. Recoil is not supported for React version 19 onwards. And this is a deal breaker for those who are working on a latest package of React, but Recoil is not supported. Now that being said, there was a typo over here in our cart.js. So instead of cart atoms, it was cart atom, and that's what we rectified. And that's pretty much it. We have our demonstration of atom in Recoil using cart items. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.